county governments. Most of the time, the county government funds don't come. Even as I'm speaking to you right now, the county government funds have not come down. And it is the CDF that has played a role in ensuring that many bursaries have been dispersed to their students and the needy have gone back to school. So for me, in all the times that I've been in the county governments, when CDF is there, CDF supports a lot. Even where I'm coming from, in Kisumu West, as I'm speaking, most of the areas are inaccessible. And if it was not for the CDF fund, most of these areas would not have come out, become accessible to the women and the youth and people with disabilities who need to use these accessories to the market and all that. So for me, I believe that CDF combined with GAF, and if GAF could be made to become more to support those women, youth, and people with disability, I think that the two of them could really support to ensure. I was not for the CDF fund when I was in the county government, but when I now came and realized that when we started working in the county government, I realized that actually without CDF, most of the government projects would have stalled. And mark you, in all times, CDF comes before any county government funding. So it ensures that people are not sitting waiting for the government to get, the local government to get the reimbursement. And I believe if it's given more, most of the people, the MPs are using this fund better than what is going on in the local authorities. To be honest, the MPs are not misusing this CDF fund. CDF fund is felt on the ground. And CDF fund is a fund I'm sure the local people and the Kenyans will support and want it more than any other fund that is there. It is a better fund. Put more money on CDF. Forget about the 3% levy on housing and all. CDF fund needs to be enhanced. Asante sana.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ruth Odinga. Do we have the Member of Parliament for Marakwet West, Honorable Timothy Torotich?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to contribute on this very important motion. Mr. Speaker, it is not in doubt that the CDF fund has been of great significance in this country. Mr. Speaker, if you compare the monies sent to the constituencies through the CDF and the monies sent to the counties, Mr. Speaker,